This is a really cute cropped lightweight cardigan sweater I was sent to review from Veryoung, so let me show you why it's so adorable and I love it. There are no buttons or zippers or pockets, it's just all very simple and comfy, lightweight, goes with anything really. From jeans and a t-shirt to throwing it over a dress, you can even belt it for a fun look. The product page calls this cropped, but honestly it comes right to my hip. Not to my true waist or even above, but it's not like a long cardigan. No, it's not like a duster. We've got nice cuffs, nice and long on my hands. I'm 5'8", so sometimes I struggle with things being too short, but these are just perfect. This is the size medium I got. I usually wear a top size small or medium, so perfect, true to size. It's made of 100% viscose, machine washable, and dryable. Easy care, we love that. It is cute, it's versatile, it's lightweight. I love it, and I know you will too.